Hi everyone, I need to first of all make the disclaimer that I am a traditional Chinese medicine student. I am not yet qualified, so if you ever need to seek guidance, you should go with a licensed practitioner or a different medical professional, maybe a neurologist, to help yourself. The reason why I'm making this video is because there are tons of explanations or different videos about Qigong, and they totally walk you through everything and show you the movements slowly, but the truth is none of them actually explain what's going on or why or how different things work. And when we talk about this type of practice, I know I love to understand why. So this is what I set out to do. And I hope you can take this, make sense of it, and see how the body can come together for yourself and feel it. What's up everyone? It's been a while since my last video. Today I want to share another aspect of Chinese medicine that I think is often underrated. It doesn't get talked about as much as acupuncture or herbs, but it has very tangible effects. Things you can actually feel in your body, often fairly quickly when practiced consistently. For me, this became especially important after my multiple sclerosis began showing up in a different way, particularly with bladder issues and retention. I went through all the standard Western medicine protocol with the medical testing, ultrasounds, UTI testing, all of it, but one thing that actually helped regulate my nervous system was Qigong, more specifically Ba Duan Jin or Ba Duan Jin in Cantonese. In English, it is called 8-section brocade. This isn't something that specifically helps with bladder conditions. It was something I inadvertently discovered and noticed to be helpful organically through regular practice. It was especially useful after my stroke. At first, I was able to practice the standing form, and it was effective enough to get me standing on my own 2 feet and walking with my walker. Over time, my condition changed and standing became much more difficult. So today I'm going to keep things accessible and show a seated version of the practice I do. I'll share the intention behind the movements and how this practice supports qi, blood flow, and the nervous system by clearing different pathways, or what TCM calls meridians, channels, and ultimately the nervous system. So just to be honest, I'm super imperfect in this practice because of my symptoms like tremors, and you'll probably see that. It's super obvious, but I'm doing it anyway. I don't let it stop me. And my hope is that it'll help you feel like you can do the same for yourself. So, you can follow along or just watch and take in the information. Have fun. Let's get down to business. The first move is what we can call round circle, and that involves the arms moving forward a bit, open, and we create a circle. And the primary channels activated here are the lung channel, which opens the chest, improves breath, and calms anxiety. Then there's the heart channel, where it settles the shen, which is spirit, and reduces palpitations. And we can move on to the pericardium channel. It regulates circulation and emotional tension. And then even further, large intestine channel is activated and moves stagnant qi toward the shoulders and arms. And finally, we have what is called the Sanjiao channel, or triple burner, and this harmonizes the upper, middle, and lower sections of the body and helps with fluid metabolism. Alright, this next one is my enemy, personally. It is the seated leg lifts, and it's the variation that you can do on the couch. So it's not about intensity, it's about control. And the purpose is to strengthen the lower jiao, so the lower section of the body. It activates kidney and bladder qi, which improves central stability. And the primary channels activated here are the bladder channel, which was most important for my MS bladder recovery. It opens the whole posterior line from head to foot. Then there's the kidney channel that it activates, which anchors qi, supports water metabolism, and then it activates the spleen channel, which strengthens legs, supports damp metabolism. And then there's the stomach channel. It improves leg strength, digestion, and overall qi. And then there's the gallbladder channel, which stabilizes the hip and improves coordination. And then we have the du mai, which is affecting the spine and nervous system activation. So this is really good stuff.